Today I'm going to show you how to clean car floor mats. These are not rubber car floor mats. These are just the carpeting type of floor mats, and I'm going to show you how to wash them. I have the mats and I'm going to put them inside of the washing machine right here. It's important that it's a front loading washing machine as opposed to a one that's top loading. Although some top loading you may be able to. But this is what I'm going to use. I'm not only going to use detergents, I also have this right here. It's Clean Sensations. It is a scent booster. This is made by Arm & Hammer. And I use this, I'm going to use this for the mats to give it a nice fresh smell after they have been cleaned right here. So I'm going to use this, and actually I'm going to use twice the amount that they are asking me, or they suggest on this bottle. I'm just going to do it, but you should always go by the instructions, but this is what I'm going to do. So it says fill to the line, so I'm going to go ahead and fill this to the line, and then I'm going to go above and beyond that. I'm going to go a little bit above the line. I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. Go ahead and put one more. Scent booster. Could put a second in there. All right, so this stuff you don't put in the detergent drawer. You have to put this directly inside of the washer. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in, and then I'm going to show you what I do for the type of wash and the detergent. So I have that in there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shut that. And then we're gonna go ahead and put detergent into the drawer. And so I like to use a Woolite, okay? So this isn't like clothing that I need to have super clean, and I wanna keep the damage to the minimum on the fabric or whatever. So I use Woolite. So I use just the normal recommendation for Woolite. Actually, I've used a little bit less, probably like half the cup. And go ahead and close that back. And I'm gonna close it. Then I go ahead and turn on the washer. And then what I like to do, I just keep it on the normal, and then I use the highest heat. Steam I'm going to use just for this particular one. But I use hot, extra rinse, and soil level. You can keep it at normal if you want to, but I'm gonna keep it at heavy. And then I just go ahead and start it, okay?